Welcome to our video on the healthiest foods and meat in India. India is known for its rich and diverse culinary traditions, and many of its traditional dishes are packed with nutrients and health benefits. In this video, we will explore the healthiest foods and meat that you can add to your diet to promote overall health and well-being. First on our list are vegetarian foods. Number 1. Lentils are a staple food in Indian cuisine and are a rich source of protein, fiber, and iron. They are also low in fat and calories and can be easily incorporated into a variety of dishes. Number 2. Spinach is a nutrient-dense leafy green that is rich in iron, calcium, and vitamins A and C. It is also low in calories and can be added to a variety of dishes, including curries and soups. Number 3. Turmeric is a spice that is widely used in Indian cuisine and is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. It contains a compound called curcumin, which has been shown to have a range of health benefits, including reducing inflammation and improving brain function. Number 4. Yogurt is a probiotic-rich food that is widely consumed in India. It is a good source of protein, calcium, and vitamins B12 and D. It is also believed to have digestive benefits and can help promote a healthy gut microbiome. Now we move on to the meat and seafood. Number 1. Fish is a good source of lean protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamin D. In India, fish such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines are widely consumed and are a great addition to a healthy diet. Number 2. Chicken is a lean source of protein and is a staple in many Indian dishes. It can be prepared in a variety of ways, including grilled, roasted, or added to curries. Number 3. Lamb is a popular meat in Indian cuisine and is a good source of protein and iron. It can be prepared in a variety of ways, including roasted, grilled, or added to stews and curries. Number 4. Eggs are a versatile and nutrient-dense food that are widely consumed in India. They are a good source of protein, vitamins, and minerals, and can be prepared in a variety of ways, including boiled, fried, or added to curries and soups. In conclusion, adding these healthy foods and meat to your diet can help promote overall health and well-being. Whether you are a vegetarian or a meat eater, there are plenty of nutritious options to choose from in Indian cuisine. So why not try incorporating some of these foods into your diet today and see the positive impact they can have on your health? Thank you for watching.